of forcing yourself to study for hours with textbooks, try learning by engaging with things you genuinely enjoy. Hello everyone, Sana here. Today I want to share a simple yet powerful tip on how to improve your English in a way that's actually fun and that truly worked for me. Instead of forcing yourself to study for hours with textbooks, try learning by engaging with things you genuinely enjoy, like watching YouTube videos, movies, interviews, or vlogs. When you enjoy what you're doing, you pay attention naturally, and without even realizing it, you begin absorbing new vocabulary, pronunciation, and natural expressions. I strongly believe that consistency is the key to improvement. If a word really catches my attention, I'll look it up. English isn't just a subject, it's a language meant to be used. So, change your mindset. When learning feels enjoyable, improvement doesn't feel like pressure.